So this is how to repair the camera focus on the iPhone 3GS. As you notice, this little case right here, it's like a focus for the camera 3GS. I just glued it with I didn't have like professional glue, so I just used undercoating just to keep it there in place. And I just put a little touch on the edges and the inner edges of the nail polish. It's like a nail polish glue. It's just to keep it in place there. As you notice, make sure you don't get any electronics. If you have super glue, it might be easier. It might be better, not easier. This is easier because I have a little brush with it. It's just regular nail polish, as you can see. And that should keep the camera in place. Make sure it's well dried before you put it back into the iPhone here, 3GS. Make sure you keep all your screws in order. That's screw number 7. That's the last 2 screws, and then you have 6 screws for the main motherboard of the iPhone 3GS. I'm sure you can search for putting back together assembly iPhone 3GS. This video is just to make sure you don't lose that little focus rim. It's like a little black rim there on the camera, if you can see it. I took my iPhone 3GS apart, and then my photos weren't focusing at all, and I realized, I just found that a few days later on the floor, and I'm putting it back together. Hopefully that works. Rate this video. Thank you very much. Have a pleasant day.